Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Saral Japani YouTube channel. Friends, over the past few weeks, we have been discussing about Japan postgraduate admissions for 2027, that is April 2027 intake. And this is the third video of this series. In the first video, we discussed about the complete timeline of the admission process for April 2027 intake for master and doctoral courses. And in the second video, we discussed about how to find suitable universities for application. This is the third video, and in this third video, we are going to discuss about yet another very important area, how to find professors. As you know that one needs to contact professors for master and doctoral admissions. And for that, you need to know how to find suitable professors that suits your research areas and research needs. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that. So how to find professors for Japan postgraduate admissions 2027. Choosing the right professor is probably the most vital step in admission process for master's and doctoral courses in Japan. That's why we are here with this specific video on how to find the right professors. The first, there are basically four ways. There could be more ways, but the top four ways in which you can select your or you can search your professor. I am going to discuss those top four search criteria. First is to find in the respective university website. So we will go through each of these in detail, but to list, the first one is the searching of professors in the respective university websites. The second is on J Global portal, which is a research database. Similarly, the third one is CiNii research, and the fourth is research map. So these two second, third, and fourth options, that is J Global, CiNii research, and research map, these are all online portals which basically host research related information which is going on across the world. So there you can search for the Japanese professors and the research they are doing, and you can check if that meets your own research needs or not. So in this video, we are going to discuss about each of these four ways in detail. So let's begin with the first one, respective university websites. So for this, I have selected the University of Tokyo as a reference case. So let's see how to find professors on this University of Tokyo website. So this is the URL www.u-tokyo.ac.jp/en/. This is the English version of the University of Tokyo website. So friends, here you can see there is an icon called people. So you have to select this, and when you select this, it takes us to this page. So here you can see search terms, faculty, position. So for example, I will take the a case of biotechnology research center. For example, you are a biotechnology student and you want to do master's or a doctoral degree from Japan in biotechnology and from the University of Tokyo in particular. You can do the same for other universities also, but in this video I am going to discuss on the basis of University of Tokyo. So faculty, biotechnology research center, position. So now you can select all: president, executive vice president, distinguished university professor, senior professor, professor. So you can select any of these if you want, or better to keep it all so that you have all the options available. And search terms, for example, you can write molecular biology. And if not, you can just keep it blank as well. And let's see what it gives. So now Biotechnology Research Center. So you will get to know what all research activities are being done and who are the professors in University of Tokyo for biotechnology. See, the first one is Kosono Saori, Associate Professor. Minakuchi Chiho, Research Associate. Nishiyama Makoto, professor. So now if you want to look at what he is doing, you can just click on the name and see here, Nishiyama Makoto, PhD, Professor, Biotechnology Research Center. This is the URL of the affiliation site, and his specialty is applied microbiology. Now, if you want to do some research in applied microbiology within this biotechnology, then this Professor Nishiyama Makoto may be a good choice for yourself. And the research areas in which he is working is structure, function, and regulation of enzymes involved in amino acid metabolisms. Keywords related to research themes: crystal structure, enzyme regulation, evaluation, biosynthesis, metabolism. So now this gives an overall picture of what Nishiyama Makoto, Professor Makoto, is doing. And these are the research projects that he is working upon. So very detailed information are available, and this will give you a clear indication of whether this professor is suitable for you or not. So see, these are the research papers or the research that he is undergoing or he is supervising. So let's take one more example. Let's go back. And here, instead of microbiology, let's give Graduate School of Engineering, for example. Position all, and here you can write civil engineering. Let's see what it gives. So it gives Hai Long Wang, project associate professor. So let's see if he is related to civil engineering or not, because from this faculty it is not clear. Let's see. PhD from the University of Tokyo. And see, he is from civil engineering. That means the search result has given proper information. So there is not much information, but it's only giving this. So let's take one more. Professor, Graduate School of Engineering, Koizumi Hideki. So Professor Hideki. So his specialty is community design, management and planning. Research theme, practice and theory of urban planning and community design. Civil society, collaborative planning, democratic planning. So these are the research projects he is working on or has worked upon previously. So in this way, you can look for your professors on the website of University of Tokyo. So in a similar way, if you open another university, you will get similar structure and you can look for professors there. So this is the first one. So now this one we just discussed. The second one is to look in the JGlobal database. So what is JGlobal database? Let's now take a look. JGlobal database is this. So JGlobal database, the URL is https://jglobal.jst.go.jp/en. So this is JGlobal, the Japan version. So here, as you can see, the search criteria, all, researcher, article, patent, research project, organization. So you can search in through any of these criteria. You can search the research project as well, or if you want to know about the professor's names only, then researcher is also okay. So researcher, keywords maybe applied microbiology. Let's search. See here, the first is Tanaka Atsuo. Tanaka-san, our Professor Tanaka. So if we click on this name, let's see what it yields. So see here, affiliation and department, former institution, organization, Chubu University. And his research, molecular applied biofunctional and bioprocess engineering. Research theme for competitive and other funds, molecular breeding of microorganisms by cell surface engineering. And here you can see all the papers and the research work and the books that he has authored. This professor has authored 35 books in all. And this is the work history, professional career. He has done Doctor of Engineering from Kyoto University, and the entire information is available here. So let's see one more. Researcher, civil engineering.
So, for example, if I take maybe Savamoto
Professor Masaki. So here,
University of Engineering Department. And once you have identified this professor, just visit that particular university, for example, Tohoku University, and just check if he is still there or not. It might happen that this database is not up to date and the professor has
left, maybe he has just retired or he has moved to another university. So you will get that information from the university website or from the from googling also. From Google also you can get that information. Anyways, so Sawamoto Masaki, this professor's research areas are hydroengineering, disaster prevention engineering, and environmental dynamics. So these are all parts of civil engineering. His research themes, papers, books, and so on. So this is the second way how you can do. And there is another one, advanced search. So if you want to find something very specific, you can use this option as well. So researcher name, for example, you know the name of the professor and you want to check what all research work, what all papers or books this professor has published. Then you can write the name of the professor here and give select and search, and then it will give all the work that he has done. So this was the second one, J Global. Next is CiNii research. So now let's see what is CiNii research. So we go to the website of CiNii research, which is https://cir.nii.ac.jp/? is equal to en. So this is the English version of the website. So here again, you can see here free word search. So if you write here applied microbiology, I think I have messed up with the spelling, microbiology. So let's see what it yields. So see here, it is giving the research titles, and it gives the research papers and details. Let's click on the first one. So sorghum juice from the Super 2 variety, a promising carbon source for oleaginous yeast in biodiesel production. So here you can see, let's go back and let's maybe we have to in we have to give Japan. So there is advanced search option as well. Japan professors. So for example, now let's see this regulatory network of specialized metabolism suppression. So here you can see the funding program, grants in aid for scientific research. Japan Society for the Promotion of Science, it is aiding this research. And the university is Kochi University. University of Tokyo. So here you can see the research institution is University of Tokyo, but the project status is coming as declined. Anyways, you will have to browse through this page and you have to give some time here to look for your specific area. So civil engineering, Kyoto University. Let's search this. So these are coming in Japanese. So maybe this one, study on the process of behavioral change of local residents in preparation. So here you can see several names of Japanese professors. So Sugo Ken, Department of Urban Management, Graduate School of Engineering, Kyoto University, Iguki Masato. So now if you click on any of these names, then it will give the research papers that this professor has worked upon. So in this way, you have to now check your own research area or your proposed uh, research theme or research topic, if that meets or is similar to any of these or not. So in that way, you will have to explore. So this is CiNii research. And last but not the least is research map. So research map is this. So here again, you can English version of research map. So here you can see name of researcher or department, section or title. So here if I write applied microbiology. So now you can see here the names of professors. Kyoto University, Yoshihiko, Hokkaido University, Teruo Sone, Kindai University, Takao, Forestry and Forest Products Research Institute, Professor Mitsuro, Laboratory of Animal Applied Microbiology, Okayama University. In this way, all the professors are listed here. So now if we click on the first one, Yoshihiko, so Yoshihiko Sako. So here you can see affiliation is Graduate School of Agriculture, Division of Applied Biosciences, Laboratory of Marine Microbiology. Degree, he has done Master of Agriculture from Kyoto University and same Doctoral of Agriculture. Research interests, microbiology in extreme environments, fisheries chemistry, toxic microalgae, microbial genome sex science. And these are written in the same things, these are written in Japanese. Research areas, these interest areas are life sciences, marine aquatic life sciences, applied microbiology, systems genomics, and genomics. So this is a better one than CiNii research, definitely. And you can take another one, maybe this one. Professor Masaharu Ishii, Graduate School of Agricultural and Life Sciences, Biotechnology. So here again, his details are present. So in this way, you have to go through and discover yourself the professors and their research work that they have done, and you have to stream down. You have to select few of the professors from these available information. So there are basically four main ways in which you can choose the professor who is right for your research area.
The websites, you will find there something. Then look for that same professor maybe in J Global or CiNii Research or Research Map, or you can search new professors also in these portals. And in this way, just shortlist some of the professors, maybe shortlist 10 professors from these four categories, shortlist 10 professors of your area of research, and then further short
Maybe eliminate few of them and make a list of 5 professors. And then you start writing emails to those shortlisted 5 professors. In the next video, I will tell you how to write email to professors when you are contacting them for the first time. So that will be the topic of discussion in our next video. So in this video, we have just discussed about how to find the professors for Japan admissions 2027 for master and doctoral courses. In the fourth, that is in the next video of this series, we will talk about how to write an email, how to write the first email to professor, to a professor requesting for his support towards your admission. So that we will do in the next video. So I hope this video has been useful. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. Saral Japani is the channel where we talk about Japan and Japanese. And the YouTube URL is youtube.com/at Saral Japani. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching. Arigato gozaimasu. Matai masho.